Hi, welcome back. I've got 16 inches of 20 gauge round soft copper wire, and I just straightened it out with my fingers. I'm going to catch this tiny little 4mm gemstone. This is just a cute little glass faux emerald. So it has a point on it, so I'm just going to catch it with a little bit of a swirl in the middle of my wire here. Just got the center of my wire, made a little bit of a cup for it. Gonna sit it in there. It's real tiny, so it's gonna be a bit of a jiggle. You just want it to sit right in that hole, kind of like that. And then just take the upper wire, hold nice pressure, and just skirt the edge of the gemstone. Bring that upper wire over this bottom one. Brace so that you can turn. It's such a small gem that it should only take a couple of them to catch it. So we've got it. If you feel like you need to tap it lightly, you can. Hold the top and the bottom and just squeeze a little bit. Okay, that's pretty good. It's harder when the gemstone's bigger. So we've got these two wires. I'm going to bring this one up to meet the other one from the bottom. Just make sure you don't ruin the catch. Just bring it up, bring it over, just like that. It's easier to take the front one to it without covering too much gemstone. Go a little more on the front one until they cross like that and you got a nice clean hold. Okay, just like that. I'm going to stand the one up from the back. So just real steady. Get your fine plier, hold everything and turn it vertical, right where they cross. And I'm going to take this one around. Just hold the top, make a nice, real snug bend. Take it all the way around. You need to use your plier, because I do. Just let it help you make the bend. Turn around the post. Squeeze. Just get a real nice wrap. Super clean. If you need to tap anything and level anything out to the center, you can do that. Just make sure you don't change the front or the capture. 20 gauge will catch that little 6mm or 4mm. Mine's 4mm. So I'm going to take this wire now, right here at its edge. I'm just going to turn it up so that it meets this one. Make sure your loop's nice and tight. Just bring them up side by side, like that. And that's your capture on that tiny little point. You can do all kinds of stuff with this guy now.